Hello everyone, how are you going? Today I'd like to introduce and give you a practical tutorial on how to create your Liquid Driver token into an fNFT. So if you're already familiar with Liquid Driver, where you lock your LQDR tokens into xLQDR, which gives you access to profit in phantom blue chip tokens such as Wrap Phantom, Linspirit, Bill, Spell, and Beats, then you'll realize the advantage of fNFT model, which is now live on Liquid Driver. In a nutshell, it provides you all the benefits of xLQDR, but provides you with the flexibility of making your funds transferable, among other things. It's a really straightforward process. It costs one phantom to mint your fNFT, and you'll receive your rewards exactly the same as you would in xLQDR. But Revest, the company behind the technology of fNFTs, and in partnership with Liquid Driver, will get 1% of your rewards anytime you harvest. In return, you'll receive the flexibility that allows you to make your previous illiquid revenue creating investments, had you locked your tokens in xLQDR, into liquid revenue creating investments in the form of fNFT. So in today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to mint your fNFT for the cost of one phantom. After that, I'll show you how to add more LQDR tokens to that same fNFT, increasing its value. And finally, I'll show you how to collect your daily rewards and show you the option they have that makes it possible to list your fNFT on paintswap, the most popular NFT marketplace on Fantom. Okay then, before we get started, please punch the like button, subscribe, and activate that notification bell. By the way, you'll find timestamps in the description below. Alright then, so step 1. Let's go on over to Liquid Driver. Links in the description. Connect your wallet. Click on xLQDR, link on the top. Here you'll see the traditional xLQDR tab and the fNFT tab. I currently have both. Let's click on the fNFT and now type in how much LQDR tokens you want to put into the fNFT. As this is my very first time, I'll be using a very small amount, so I'll type in 10. Select the length of time you want to lock it for. I'll be locking mine for 2 years. You'll see there's a flat fee of 1 phantom, and finally let's click approve and confirm on your MetaMask. Once that goes through, you'll be able to mint. So now let's click on the mint button and confirm in your MetaMask. You have probably you'll need to refresh your page in order to view your fNFT. So I'm going to refresh now. And there you go. I can see my fNFT. Okay, so this is the next day now. So here I am in Liquid Driver the next day, and if I go to the xLQDR tab and click on my fNFT, it should come up in the gallery. Okay, and there you can see my yesterday's about 10 phantom that I deposited. Now if I click on this, it's going to give me some information. Alright, and here I can claim my rewards. So if I click on that, it will let me claim that, but I'm not gonna claim it for today because I hardly have any rewards at all. But there is a good thing here. I can extend my maturity, and also I can deposit additional tokens. So that's what I'm going to do today. I think I have some in my wallet now, so I'm going to deposit about 10. Deposit extra. Go back to here and refresh the page, and hopefully that says about 20 now. Oh, perfect. There you go. 19.96. There you go. Fantastic. Finally, let's check out how to list your fNFT on paintswap. It's a fairly straightforward process, so let's click on the top left of your NFT. Make sure you are connected to your wallet. Scroll down to the bottom of your NFT and then click on sell this NFT. And this will take you over to paintswap, where you can list your NFT if you wish to. Okay then, so that's about all for today's tutorial. I hope you found that useful. If you want to dig a bit deeper into the subject, then I definitely recommend Nick's video. I'll leave that in the description, and you'll also see that on the top right hand of your screen. And also, you should read the Medium article released by Liquid Driver. Okay then everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'd really appreciate a comment as well. Bye for now everyone.